Bathroom design schemes should be built to the last, but doesn't mean you need to keep the dated finishes, textures, and the style. Hello, welcome to the MOREROOM Sintered Stone and the bathroom high-end experience hall.
Today, my partner Sophie and I will take you to experience the latest trends in 2023 for bathroom design. So let's go! For the first space created by MOREROOM, at the first glance, it makes you feel very peaceful and minimalist. It is made of entry lighting luxury feeling for the only surface, and the whole space exudes warmth and peace from the inside out. Some friends may find that the Sintered Stone has actually been applied to the entire bathroom area. Actually, large Sintered Stone using as bathroom floor and wall has become the widespread trend for decoration in the bathroom. While from the cleaning and usage perspective, it is very practical, and it has the visual advantage of drawing the eye for catching more clients and making your bathroom feel more spacious.
In this neat and beautiful space, it can make people to feel the calm and the smoothing atmosphere. The walls and floors are made of textured series Sintered Stone, which truly restore the paint material. If you simply use the paint material for the decoration, there's a problem of the moisture resistance and it's really hard to take care of. Therefore, MOREROOM also provides an overall solution for the paint material. In addition, being able to continue with the entire space as a cupboard is cleaner, moisture-proof, and is easier for the maintenance.
Influenced by the philosophy of Bauhaus, effective designs should remove the unnecessary decoration. Less is more. This concept is also applied to this area. The two minimalist pedestal basins in simple design still require the usage very practically. In order to increase the inches, a shelf is designed at the pedestal basin, which also plays a certain role in storage while decorating. In addition, a cheek mirror with built-in lighting is also practical and beautiful, making you feel like a superstar.
From the above three spaces, it can be seen the bathroom high-end experience hall launched by MOREROOM Stone this time not only has a variety of the styles, but also pays more attention for the consumers to experience more in the bathroom.
In the next chapter, we will continue to show you the other three designs. Please follow us.